What lights you up with joy and excitement? How will you make a difference in the world? Join us at Stone Ridge to find out. Our foundress, St. Madeleine Sophie Berra, once said, "Your example, even more than your words, will be an eloquent lesson to the world." At Stone Ridge, we empower young leaders to serve with faith, intellect, and confidence. Our Gator spirit can be felt in the classroom, in the arts, on the field, in everything we do. Come join the Blue Gold Spirit. We are Stone Ridge.
Gators on three! 1, 2, 3, Gators!
Never mind the waves, let them take me as far as they want to go.